Welcome back to our podcast series on World War One. In this episode, we will be exploring the far reaching consequences of the war, including its economic, political, and social effects, as well as the signing of several important treaties that helped to shape the post war world. Part 1: Economic Consequences. The First World War had a profound impact on the global economy, leading to a significant decline in international trade and the rise of inflation. Many countries were left with massive war debts that they struggled to repay, while others saw their industrial production and infrastructure destroyed by the conflict. The war also led to significant changes in the global financial system, with the gold standard being abandoned in many countries. Part 2: Political Consequences. The war had a profound impact on the political landscape of Europe and beyond. In the aftermath of the conflict, many old empires were dissolved and replaced with new nation-states, including Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, and Austria-Hungary. Germany and Russia were both forced to cede land to Poland, while what was left of the Ottoman Empire became Turkey. These changes helped to redraw the map of Europe and set the stage for many of the conflicts of the 20th century. Part 3: Social Consequences. The First World War had a significant impact on society, both during and after the conflict. Many soldiers returned home with physical and psychological scars, while the war also had a profound impact on the role of women in society. The post-war period was marked by social unrest and political upheaval, with workers in many countries protesting for better conditions and wages. This pre-revolutionary climate helped to pave the way for the rise of communism and other radical political movements. Part 4: The Treaty of Versailles and Other Treaties. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, was intended to bring an end to the war and establish a lasting peace. However, it also had far-reaching consequences that helped to shape the post-war world. The treaty imposed heavy penalties on Germany, including massive reparations payments and the loss of territory. It also established the League of Nations, which was intended to promote international cooperation and prevent future wars. In addition to the Treaty of Versailles, other important treaties were signed with Bulgaria and Turkey. Part 5: The Rise of the United States as a Superpower. The First World War marked a turning point in the history of the United States, which emerged from the conflict as a first world power. The war helped to stimulate the American economy and led to significant technological advances, while also establishing the US as a major player on the global stage. In conclusion, the First World War had far-reaching consequences that helped to shape the course of history for decades to come. The war's economic, political, and social effects were profound, while the signing of several important treaties helped to establish a new world order in the aftermath of the conflict. The war also helped to shape the rise of the United States as a global superpower, setting the stage for the many geopolitical conflicts of the 20th century.